Hi guys, Happy New Year. I wanted to do a really quick video for you to see the new year in and to help you with the law of attraction. So what I'm going to speak about in this video is a really simple thing that you can do if you're trying to use the law of attraction and get results with it. This will help. So I'm just going to tell you in this short video the number one thing that can stop you using the law of attraction. So if you're interested in the step-by-step process on how to use it and to get it working and to work out your desires and how to get them coming to you, do check out the free guide that I've set up for you. You'll find it at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I'll put the link below as well, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. What I want to speak about here is what you can do if you're having trouble manifesting, okay? So if you're having trouble using the law of attraction, something that you can do that will definitely help. And this is the thing. Relax, okay? That's the number one thing that you can do. Remember that everything that you want with the law of attraction, everything that you desire is for a certain feeling that you will get once you obtain it. So if you need money, that might be a feeling of relaxation around your payments, security, optimism for the future, choices, all these things that we get through having money. And the key thing that you want to try and do is just take a day off trying to force things to happen. So if you're having trouble with the law of attraction, if you're having trouble with the law of attraction, take a day off and just relax and let things flow to you, because it will work a lot better as long as you know the mechanics, which I'm sure you do if you're here, if you're interested in the law of attraction. As long as you know the mechanics, it will actually work a lot better if you do so in a relaxed state of mind. So do that, try that, just relax and let things flow to you, and you will find it work a lot better and a lot faster. If you're interested in how I've used the law of attraction and what I've managed to attract into my life, check out the guide, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. It's for free, and you'll be able to get a very simple 3-step process that you can follow that will work for you to get things happening. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you give that a go. It sounds like not that much advice really, but just if you're having trouble and you're getting wound up with it and nothing seems to happen, try this today. Just live in sort of gratitude and relax and go with the flow, and you will find lots of things happen in your life that steers you on the right track. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.